a day. We don't come again for this our news channel. If this one is the first time where you come across this our video, make you do well to subscribe. And if you don't subscribe before, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news where they enter your phone as if na text message. This will not be them say. This one I see am for yourself, make you hear am for yourself. On today's news, one officer don come and talk say they too dey post like something for social media. Say the thing not dey help their work because at the end of the day, they no go fit do proper investigation. This one are because of the matter of that helicopter where they say it crashed. My people, I want play on the video. Make una watch and make una hear wetin this officer got to talk.
As at this moment, we don't know what caused that aircraft to come down. And that is the reason why we continue to advise our citizens to be wary of the kind of things they keep on sending around social media. When our citizens allow themselves to be used as conduits or as communication equipment to spread propaganda by enemies of the people, by criminal elements that want to divide us as a nation, then it will be very, very difficult to begin to understand why we are where we are today. It will be very, very difficult for us to begin to ask our people whether they really want us to get to the bottom of this situation. The Nigerian Armed Forces are continuing to be very, very, very open about its operations, and accidents in military operations are nothing for any military organization to be ashamed of. We are fighting an insurgency, and if anybody thinks insurgency is something that is tackled in such an easy way, then you should go back to the history books and find out how other nations have been facing the same problem. What we see in other countries is the citizens of those countries rallying around their armed forces and supporting them. But when we come back home, it's so unfortunate what we see from our citizens. It's as if there is a kind of joy that we derive when the armed forces have this kind of mishaps. What do we get from that? Are we going to be happy for these terrorists to come and, override our communities, take over our communities? Is that what we want? Where is the joy? The last time we invited journalists to the chief's conference when the United States government came, a journalist went and published that the chief of air staff said it was weather that caused the crash. And there was nowhere in that statement that the chief of air staff said that kind of thing. So what is the intent there? Should we begin to suspect that some members of our press are working with these journalists or what? Terrorists. Or rather, with the terrorists. That is totally unfair. And these are not the kind of things we expect from our partners like members.
My people, hope I don't watch the video and I don't hear waiting this man got to talk. We hope say everything where don't talk will come true. My people gonna drop on a comment concerning this matter, make una like and share. Until we meet again for another news, do well to stay safe. Now,
a criminal is using the name of a religion to kill our soldiers, to kill innocent Nigerians, to rape our women, to send our people into IDPs, and we still want to be sending their videos up and down. What are we doing? It's time for us to sit back and think some of the things we are doing because it's not helping us as a nation.
My people, hope I don't watch the video and I don't hear what this officer talk. Better not think concerning this matter. If they make sense, I mean not they make sense. I go like una know our opinion. Make una drop una opinion for comment section. And make una not forget to like and share this video. Until meet again for another news, make una do well to stay safe. Una do.